Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna give you a tutorial on how to add paper ball transitions to your video edits in CapCut. So here I've already imported photos, but you can also apply these transitions to your videos. So just click on the transition box in between the clips or photos, and then find the mask category. Then in here you'll find paper ball transition. Click on that, then adjust the duration. I'm going to go with 0.5 seconds. Then click on apply to all if you want to apply it to all of the clips. Okay, now just click on a check icon and you are done, and this will be the result. Okay, so that's how you can add paper ball transitions to your edits. I hope this will be helpful, so don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment, and also click on the thanks button. Bye!